Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about collaborate with ShareFile and Microsoft Office Virtual Data Room. ShareFile and Microsoft Office are the two most popular business productivity tools available. So let's get started. There are a number of benefits to using ShareFile and Microsoft Office together for VDR. Security. ShareFile offers a number of security features to protect your confidential documents, including encryption, access control, and audit logging. Microsoft Office also offers a number of security features such as document encryption and information rights management. Compliance. ShareFile and Microsoft Office can help you to comply with a variety of regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and SOC 2. Efficiency. ShareFile and Microsoft Office can help you to streamline the due diligence process and accelerate your transactions. Collaboration. ShareFile and Microsoft Office make it easy to collaborate on documents with authorized parties. Ease of use. ShareFile and Microsoft Office are easy to use for both administrators and users. Here are some tips for collaborating with ShareFile and Microsoft Office VDR. Organize your documents before uploading them to the VDR. This will make it easier for users to find the documents they need. Use the VDR's permission to control who has access to each document and what they can do with it. Use the VDR search function to find the documents you need quickly and easily. Use the VDR's collaboration tools to comment on documents and ask questions. This can make it easier for multiple parties to work together on a transaction. Use the VDR's reporting and analytics features to track user activity and identify trends. This information can be helpful for improving workflow and security. Here are some specific examples on how you can use ShareFile and Microsoft Office together to collaborate. Share a Word document with authorized parties and allow them to edit it in real time. Use the ShareFile Q&A feature to ask and answer questions about a document. Use the ShareFile commenting feature to discuss specific sections of a document. Use the Microsoft Office versioning feature to track changes to a document and revert to previous versions if necessary. Use the ShareFile reporting and analytics features to track user activity and identify trends. Conclusion. By using ShareFile and Microsoft Office together, you can create a powerful and efficient platform for collaboration and document management. ShareFile and Microsoft Office VDRs can help you to streamline your business transactions and protect your confidential information. That's all for today. Hope you have understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.